Remember part 3? Now a part 3. Now, let me grab my towel. Because every chef must have a hand towel in my hand. First, take a look at peep on the curry, or the curry and make you hurry. You see the curry and make you hurry? Curry and make you hurry. Look at the curry. Curry, make you hurry. You understand? And that me I tell about the curry. Make you hurry. Alright. Look over here so now. This is what the vegetable we are going to eat with the curry. You have cucumber, you have tomato, and you have lettuce. Lettuce make a lettuce. That's how we are dealing with it. Alright. Come over here so now. Remember we are tell us that our chef must put the spoon metal in a bowl in a clean water. Because so chef cook when they cook. We have to put everything. Got hygiene. Alright, look at see there. Everything always clean and tidy. Come back over here so now. Right, we are going to use some of the cow's milk. Right? And we are going to use dragon stout. Remember, dragon stout make you run fast like Usain Bolt and Shelly and them there. Because you don't know say and the number one running champion them in Jamaica, the fastest man and the fastest woman. And them some of them really drink. We have to make a thing named Guinea sponge now. So first, this are the dragon. Right? Dragon. We have to use dragon. We come back over here so we are going to use nutriment. And when we come over here so we are going to use nutriment. We come back over here so what they call